So today we're looking at the pin guard designed for the PTi keypad. This is the new pin guard that has got the cover that fits very neatly over the top of the number keypad, and it will fit both the standard keypad, the Falcon keypad and the Apex keypad as well. It's designed to stop people obviously being able to see the pins, but it's also now with this internal cowling so that it's very easy to see if somebody has fitted a camera in there, because there's no room for it to hide above the unit. It's a self-adhesive unit, and the pack comes with both instructions on how to install it and a primer and a cleaner. So the first thing to do is to thoroughly clean the area that we're going to stick the pin guard to around the keypad, and that's using one of these wipes. This is an alcohol wipe. It'll dry very quickly, and it's just to take off any grease to help it stick. Okay, the next thing to do, we should just wait for that to dry. It's best to wait for that for 5 minutes. So I'll just talk you through the primer on here first. The primer is actually inside here is a glass vial with the primer in here, and what you do is you keep it in the packet and you press very hard the black dot, and that breaks the glass and now allows the primer to come through onto the tip of this pen. So just going to stop the video for 5 minutes. So I'm now going to apply the primer, and you can see that the footprint here means that we want to get it all the way across here and all the way across there and all the way down. There's actually no adhesive along the bottom, so we don't need to do the bottom. Okay, so that's all done. We should now allow 5 minutes for that primer to dry. So I'm just going to stop the video and then we'll come back in a second. After leaving it for 5 minutes, we're going to peel the backing off of the adhesive pads, and then we're going to carefully place it. Now at this point you do need to be sure that you're getting it in the right place, because once it's on, it's on. And a firm bit of pressure. And then we should leave it for 2 minutes. In an ideal scenario, because it's on my desk here, I can put a heavy weight on it for about 2 minutes just while it dries. I know in most situations it's already on the wall, but if you just leave it for 2 minutes, then that will be on there securely. And that's the pin guard for the PTi keypad.